you like to say?
I am so privileged. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful to all of them. They're such a beautiful host. When I approached them for the Diwali match and a curtain of Brit, they happily said yes and they're ready to host me. And at this pandemic, when people are really getting so panicked, and they are taking all the precautions here. Thank you so much, Sanjay Bhaiya, Vishal and Pramod and Vicky for having me and making this evening so beautiful. Without your support, it was not possible.
What would you like to say? आज dual celebration है, रोहित का collection भी curtain raiser आज unveil हो रहा है यहाँ पर, launch भी है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या USP है property की?
USP जैसे USP, it's our first sports bar which has a food bar exchange which you have not seen in Bombay. Especially me, I'm going to lots of places. I've not come across a sports bar which is so unique. So we all are passionate about food and about entertainment and all. So about the sports bar is on the level 1, first floor. And about the club, it's a, you come and see, it's a, the name itself is a, you can say it's an illusionary thing. Once you step in, you find yourself into a different zone, which what many of us have not experienced so far. And we have a lot of specialty things. Once you come up, we will explain you everything in detail. I guess I have been across many clubs in Bombay and I have not come across a club who's having this water stone, who's not having this water stone systems and all. Plus our bartenders, they are not bartenders, they are a showman. So we have actually like kept it so premium and so special and so authentic. You will enjoy. That's our motto. Like we want people to entertain themselves and enjoy to the fullest.
Pandemic है, you all are taking all precautions, and I think it's a double celebration. But
Yeah.
एक नहीं, दो आपकी properties are launched हो रही है. So what do you all have to together say about it? It's a teamwork. You all four partners have put it together.
Teamwork and everything is taken care by Vishal Sharma. He's a very dear friend. So teamwork में ऐसा है ना कि precautions is the first thing what we look for in food, hygiene and everything. So इसके पहले भी before this COVID thing also everything was so well designed and well thought about, and this pandemic came, it was very sad. So pandemic thing and all. The best thing what we have and what others are still not having, it is a UV sterilizer or something they call. Like he's got it. So yeah, UV sterilizer I don't think anybody is having in our premises. Plus all the SOPs, government things have been taken care of. And rest of all, our staff and everything are so well handled. Their time to time checkups have been done throughout this year when we were making up, and still we will be, be on it. Like.
What about the food?
Food is, I think, promotion they should be explaining more.
जी, food की क्या, बहुत सुना है हमने, बहुत अच्छा खाना है.
We are planning for fusion food where people can taste all kind of continental food. Indian is there, Italian is there, and we are introducing some rest of the Japanese food. And obviously in our bakery is there. In one house you will get all things to taste, and people will enjoy it with your drinks and I think I can just say
Entertainment, the atmosphere, the bar. We have seen BSC having this exchange for the bar. We have also food. We have added food also on this. So the prices will be fluctuating for the food as well as for the drinks. Plus the entertainment shows which we are giving. It's like a say indoor sports thing. Very small, like carom boards and all small games. And lot more entertainment. We are getting some digital games also. So your food is getting ready. You get your children here. They are playing some games. So you have that pleasant atmosphere. You can watch this. Watch sports, play sports. Whatever we can do in this small space.
अब क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे सबको who are raring to come and party and chill and get entertained? बहुत सारे experiences हैं यहाँ पे, तो आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे audience को?
Message is, guys, be safe. We are taking all the measurements as per government norms. Government is totally supporting us. So just come. Your entire care is being taken by us. We have to go through this. And the other thing about your entertainment, nothing will be like, I cannot say in words also, like everything will be taken care to the top to the bottom.
So you suggest pandemic is going to go for a long time till the vaccine comes. So तब तक आप urge करते हैं कि लोग आए और वो safe हैं यहाँ पे when they come?
Yeah, they are very safe here. We have taken all the measures.
Thank you so much.
thank you.